Kalachi. If you're new, welcome to my channel where we laugh out loud. And if you're not, what's up, LOL gang? You already know the deal. I'm currently in Miami. And yes, I came with my best friend. Oi. Yes, ma'am. Today is technically day 3, but I was like not really in the mood to do an intro the first day. So yeah, today's day 3 of Miami, day 1 of Afronation. But let me just show you guys what you missed. What happened? Yeah. Say hi!
Ryan Little.
So this is when the cramps hit, okay? And she was like, any man that I marry,
Problem, then.
$1 million to my name. $1 million. Tell your mommy I go pay. How much is $1 million? $1 million. For?
We stayed at the Arlo Hotel in Wynood.
We are in Miami.
This was our room. It was a bit too narrow for me. Like, I wish there was a bit more leg room to walk around, but it was nice overall. The bathroom was also really nice. They had a glass shower. Because one thing about me, I literally, if there's curtains, I can't use the shower. I just cringe about it. Because I always think about the germs that there could be. And yeah, it's just not for me. The room also came with a few free amenities, like you could use a bike for 2 hours. They had wellness classes, but we didn't really use any of them because we were literally out all day, like for Afronation and everything. But yeah, after that, we then went to Chef Creole, my top fave. You need to go.
We are back at Chef Creole. You're gonna see where me and my cousin sat for the first time. It's not here.
Oh, the oxtail looks amazing. Bro, it is amazing. Oh, that cheese oxtail looks A1. Woo! I'm so hungry, man.
Going down.
This was day 2 of Miami. We got breakfast at the hotel. Negative 10 out of 10. Definitely not worth it, especially since the area has a lot of great food for way cheaper options. They said it was going to be a buffet, but it was not even close. I'd say the hotel is like a really good stay and great location for your convenience. It was good for us because most of the things we were doing was in that area anyway, but if you're going to eat, do not eat there. We had to learn the hard way. The plan for the day was to go to Nikki Beach and then dinner, but there was too much traffic, so by the time we got to Nikki Beach, they were literally closing for something that day. So we stayed a bit while we could, and then we went back to the hotel, changed for dinner. And yeah, for dinner we went to Miami. It was so nice. Definitely great vibes. I think it's worth going, especially if you're gonna be like with a group in Miami. It's like nice fun vibes. Then my cousin pulled up in the middle of dinner to get me a portable charger because I was going to Afronation the next day, and she literally would not let me leave till she got pictures of me.
Slower, a little slower. Come on. Smile the camera. Yes! Wait! Okay. Come on. Happy birthday!
Kitty bouncing,
Yeah. Body and head, yo.
Hey guys, so we are going to the yacht. Do you see that right there? Period. We're going there. We're gonna be there from 12 to 2. Well, no, technically it's 11:30 now. So what's like 1:30? I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then we're gonna go to Afronation. So get lit with us.
You look too good. To all her followers, she looks too good. Look at that booty.
Hey.
Ooh. The fit check. So where's your top from?
Top. I don't remember.
Okay.
Swimsuit is actually Fashion Nova. I got it a long time ago.
Okay.
This is from Urban Outfitters, the skirt, and these are Aldo.
Okay.
This bag from downtown LA,
Okay.
and this is my actual purse right here.
Show them, girl.
So yeah.
Okay. Show them the view.
Yes, guys, this is the view. Do you see this big? See fine big. See fine big. See fine big. It's very, very hot, guys. I'm probably gonna get a tan, even though I'm black. We're the first ones on the boat, so I don't mind that. I'm not mad at it. You want to take pictures?
And I had 30 minutes of sleep. That been great.
I know. Guys, we got home at what time? 3:30. Are you sure? I thought that's when we left.
I passed this.
Yeah. So
Guys, Miss Ola, she wants to finish me. Okay, like I'm sleepy. I am tired. Day 3.
yeah. Well, yeah, technically.
Okay, one more day of
This is the day 1 of Affirmation, day 3 of Miami.
I can make it to the end.
That's Miami.
Baby, why you tripping? I just want serenity, so you can miss me with the negativity, and you can witness all the possibilities. And it hit your wishes, don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure. You'll be alright. I know we have patience. Don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure. You'll be alright. I know. Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing.
Okay, well, why are you doing that?
You're just asking where your friends were.
I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright.